Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today, I have here with me, well, through Skype, I have Vincy, my best friend.
I'm back. Hope you guys are staying safe and at home.
Yes, hope you guys are home like you should be. And today, she's going to show us how to make
DALGONA coffee. So DALGONA coffee got its name from this Korean sponge candy, and it was originated in India, Pakistan, Macau, and it's also known as whipped coffee, beaten coffee. But it really got popular through this TV show, South Korean TV show called Pyeonstarang, and it went viral on TikTok, IG, Facebook, and it got over 10 million views. And here we are.
All right, I'm excited. So, let's get started.
So this is really simple, and all you need is a few ingredients. You need some instant coffee, some regular white sugar, some hot water, milk, and ice.
Okay.
And if you want, you can add a little bit of cocoa powder just to, make it pretty.
Okay, so what do I do first?
Okay, first you add 2 tablespoons of instant coffee.
All right, this is the one that I have.
And you can use any brand.
Okay. 2. Got it.
And then 2 tablespoons of sugar.
And it can't be the raw sugar or anything, right?
No raw sugar. Like, this is preferred.
That's a lot of sugar.
Are you sure that was 2 tablespoons?
Yes.
Okay. And 2 tablespoons of hot water. You can just microwave it.
Water.
2 tablespoons of water. Very good. And so now, the easy part, all you have to do is take that blender and blend it.
Do I put on high or no?
What?
Do I put on high or no?
Yeah, I put it on high.
What? I can't hear. What?
Blend it like it's until like it's a mousse-like consistency, like until you have like a peak, and the color should be like a caramel color.
Okay. I'm gonna put on number 6.
Okay. Is it like a mousse-like consistency?
Should it be like that?
A little bit more thicker. You have to have kind of like a peak.
Okay.
So do it a little bit more. Now you take your glass that you want to drink it in.
Okay. Okay, I'm ready.
Okay, so put some ice cubes in there, like maybe 2 or 3. Yeah, 2 to 3 ice cubes.
Okay.
And then get your milk and pour some milk halfway.
Halfway. All right.
That's good.
That's not how you pour milk.
And that's right.
Okay.
Okay. Now you put the... Right? Now
Yeah.
you add the mixture on top of your milk. Yes, pour it in like that. So, and just for decor, if you want to put some cocoa powder on top, you can. Or if you don't have cocoa powder, you can put some instant coffee on top. And voila, you have your DALGONA coffee. Take that spoon and stir it up real good until you mix it and enjoy.
I forgot to press record and I did drinking.
And she almost finished it.
Yeah, so it's almost done. And she didn't tell me that this was served 1 person. Serving is 1, not 2. So my husband came out and he's like, seriously?
맛있어요.
What?
It means it's delicious in Korean.
All right, so I'll try it again and show it to you guys. It's really good. I promise you, it's so good. Try it out at home.
You need to save some for Biju.
It's so good. Like, you won't stop drinking it. That's the problem with it. So, if you're diabetic, I don't recommend this for you.
Or you can just lessen the sugar.
So good.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'm gonna stop drinking because I have to leave something for my husband. Thank you so much, Vinci, for teaching us how to make this. I'm gonna make this a whole lot of times now. I'm gonna make it a lot. You wanna say?
Well, you guys.
She's a nurse, guys. She's a nurse.
So you guys, please stay home. Okay. Let's flatten the curve, and you can break the chain. Okay. So stay home and stay safe. Help us help you. Don't forget to show some love to my best friend. Click thumbs up, subscribe down below, and leave a comment.
Bye.
사랑해. Alright guys, so show some love, click thumbs up, and subscribe down below.
Comment.
Oh, oops.